Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print your Excel worksheet. So press Ctrl plus P. So guys, you will see this window. Here click on print and here you can customize as your requirement, like you can enter the number of copies. You can select from here your printer. Here you can enter the number to print, like from page number 5 to 10. Here you can change orientation, landscape or portrait. Here you can change your paper size. Here you can change margin. Then just click on print. So this way guys, you can print your Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.